Ready to leap into effortless money transfers, as per Khalid Farhan's recommendations. First, locate your App Store. Whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, search for Taptap Send. It's that easy. Tap the search result. Once you found the official app, select the Install or Get button. After the app is done installing, select the Open button. Now, open the Taptap Send app, where the app will prompt you to choose a language. Select your preferred language and then go to the setup screen and move forward to begin the setup. Get ready to create your account. In the provided fields, enter your valid phone number, and then type in your email address. Ensure you have access to this number and email, because you will need to verify them. Next, allow the app to know your country. Carefully select your country of residence from the provided menu. You will receive a verification code via SMS to your mobile number. Input that code into the designated verification code box to confirm your mobile number. With your phone number verified, you're ready to roll. You can now set up your profile, add your payment method, and finally send money, just as Khalid Farhan guided you.